Today we're going to be making an easy chicken and dumpling soup that's perfect for the fall time. If it's starting to get cold, this is what you got to make. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media, that way you can get notification of all my new recipes. In a pot over medium heat, we're going to be adding 4 cups of chicken broth and 8 cups of water, and we're going to bring that to a boil. Now we're going to take some chicken quarters, about 4 of them, with the skin off, and we're going to put it in there and we're going to cover that and let it boil for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and take your chicken out and we're going to go ahead and shred it up. And what I like to do is I like to chop it a little bit so that way you get tiny little pieces of chicken in your soup. Before we shred our chicken, we're going to be adding 2 large carrots chopped, a half of a medium onion chopped, and 3 celery stalks sliced. Now add a half of a tablespoon of dried rosemary and thyme. We're going to go ahead and give that a mix and we're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. Right around that 10-minute mark, we're going to be prepping our biscuit dough. Now this is just a regular biscuit dough that you can pick up. This is going to be really easy. You want to cut them up into small little pieces and go ahead and put them in there after that 10-minute mark. Now we're going to be adding our chopped chicken into the soup along with a 1/4 cup of flour mixed with a cup of water. This is going to thicken it up, and you want to make sure that you stir it every now and then because it is going to get thick. It's going to become gravy-like. So that's just one thing that you want to look at. And we're going to let it cook for another 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. As you can see, it's thickening up, so you want to make sure that you stir the bottom and scrape the bottom as you stir because you do not want the bottom of the pan to burn. Now that it's pretty much done, you want to go ahead and check it for seasoning. If you need more salt, go ahead and add salt and pepper to taste. Now all you have to do is just serve you up a nice big bowl, but this is really comforting. My family loves this chicken and dumpling soup, and I'm sure your family will too. It's got great flavor and it's very warming and it just screams comfort food. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It's very delicious. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button that we can see future videos just like this and many more. And as always, I'll leave the link in the video description so that way you can go to cookingwithkirby.com to get the full printable recipe. Oh yeah, I have these recipes. They're very good and you should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.